Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do an in-class writing test online on Blackboard. So I'm showing this on an example Blackboard site, not on our Blackboard site. But when it's time, go to the folder, the week by week folder that you need, and find the place where it says timed writing test and the date and time that you've chosen. And it will tell you it's a 2-hour timed writing test, so you will click on it, and it tells you the instructions of what you should do, the steps that you should do, and the time limit. Then you will click continue, scroll down, and you will find the 2 topics here under question 1. So you can do your brainstorming on a piece of paper by hand. You don't need to turn that in. You can do your brainstorm and your outline. But when you're writing, you just need to write in Microsoft Word or in whatever other program that you usually do, just like you would write a regular essay. If you have some sort of problem and you need to write by hand on a piece of paper, instead of typing, you can do that, but you will need to scan it to a PDF, and so that you're able to upload it. So I would just type my paragraph here, type my paragraph, and blah blah blah. When I finish, I'm going to check it. I'm going to spend a lot of time so I know that it's very good. Then I would save it to make sure I have the most recent copy saved. And when my time is up, my 2 hours is up, I would go back to Blackboard. I would click Browse My Computer, and I would go ahead and attach. I would find where I had saved my my document, and I would just, whatever it was, I'm not going to really do a great job with it here, but I would just attach it there and browse my computer, and then I would click Save and Submit, and I would be turning my test in, and then I would be able to see it and grade it. So if you have any questions or problems during the test, you'd be able to email me and let me know. But it will be taking 2 hours, and this is taking the place of our in-class writing assignments. We'll have one more test like this during the semester. So thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.